Here's what you need to know about rocks. You will need to know the difference between igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks. And as we learned in lab, you determine that by looking at the texture. And the texture isn't how it feels, it's how it looks. And I will now explain the different rocks and how they look by their texture. Igneous rocks will be either coarse-grained crystal texture with interlocking crystals like these. If you can easily see the crystals, then you're looking at an igneous rock that is intrusive, or also known as platonic. And you want to say that the crystals are interlocking or intergrown. Or if you don't see crystals, or you see vesicles, which are holes in the rock, or the rock is glassy, then the rock is extrusive igneous rock, also known as volcanic, and you will say that the characteristic is glassy or vesicular. Sedimentary rocks will show smaller grains of sand or pebbles. You will say that you see fine or coarse-grained sand, or rounded or angular pebbles like this. Also, sedimentary rocks are the only rocks that will show fossils. In that case, you will say that fossils are present. Metamorphic rocks will show a foliated texture that looks somewhat like layering in sedimentary rocks, and yet metamorphic rocks will not show visible sand grains, and metamorphic rocks will show distinctive dark and light colored mineral alignment, or they'll show clear banding of dark and light minerals that go through the whole rock, and you can see it on each side. Sometimes you'll see garnet crystals, and sometimes platy mica crystals or a shiny foliated surface on a metamorphic rock. Here it shows the banding, but also this platy, shiny mica that's covering this schist. This is what you need to know how to do for the New York State lab exam, Inner Science, when it comes to the rocks. You'll be given 2 rocks. You need to identify whether that rock is igneous, metamorphic, or sedimentary, and give one identifying observable characteristic, just one.